Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. We dey glad for meet up una for this site inside number 30 day for number 6 moon 2018. Maybe the last one for the moon for number 6 moon before we go meet up for inside number 7 moon. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go talk accident the way they pass for we national road number 5 for this week. We just finish we go talk Palava house the way the Chakara for place on Godi. We go talk even Palava for Bibi Guataho for Logbesu Miket side where they cause people then confusion. We go talk this Palava contribute where they don't start for contribute for help people then for Norwest and Southwest. So now the people the way they don't contribute plenty money if we get for look and find. Now Central region where they come out 152,969,600 francs and they follow for back now Ngaundere with 21 or south with 120 million. So we go try for look inside it to read them plus other one this afternoon. Ma change them when are normal people them now for we. One person, Oga Jan Divine. Good afternoon, Oga Jan.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
How your week be passed?
No, my week be passed fine and we don't do all things fine.
Alright. Another person, now Oga Eric. Eric, afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
And your week?
No, my week passed fine. I want to raise a lot for my brother for Southwest, where they didn't bush. When they come now, so I want to tell them the whole time. That one, they actually to people, they don't take bullet for that side where they did for hospital, they never die. But the whole and fine, it will pass. Okay. Tori for this afternoon, we go start one time. We enter for inside this accident for national roads. Number 5. Accident for manual voyage with moto where e carry cement. Tori we enter for we here na say waiting. Moto where e comot for that side for Chang where na di manual e be the camp for Douala. Moto where e carry cement e be the go for that side for Banga side as well if you put am or for west. Wetin happen na say this motor wey comot for place wey they call am say Chang. If you wan struggle for do wetin, if you wan struggle for pass before motor for cement in Nakam. Inside that motor, one person he die, and the one person wey die con the people them na boy wey he just comot from Gata. Wey he comot for Chang, he dey come for this side for Douala. Na the motor that with for cement wey he make that accident. And people themselves for inside that motor con people them as well start showing them one of the person na only one he die for inside this accident where it happens so for roads. Even as well motor block roads, we also see other big motor that they pass. They don't even get time for wait for see whether they feel help people them or how. But Sabi say inside the motorway he make that accident as well talk for them. One person he die and plenty other one they come up for outside there with a BB wound. Now national road number 5 and road SSF a day like a dash. Oga Jang, we call and say national roads, but all time na accident.
Ambassador, we don't tire for Palava road for Cameroon. Every day we talk and I will still continue for talk. At time not be only road, but even driver the way they ride, where they carry human being, the way they get in life. They overtake motor. If you want overtake motor, look motor way there for your corner. I will not see the one now will not fit whether na the bad road or na the driver a cause. But for me, I know say road them for Cameroon, they not define.
Alright, road for Cameroon not define, but we sabi say this accident as well we dey talk. All man be one struggle for find road for pass, motor do already block. You know, sabi say we road over small. Okay, Eric?
Yes, that Palava road for Cameroon na problem really all side for Cameroon region then problem dey for road because it not be normal say since more than 60 years na the very road they want to use them. Even for that west road when you travel go there, when they see us the road small, you say self you only pray and pray, say na God dey keep people there. You know that road don't make like more than 50 years, even for make a big small make motor they pass because as long as time you go to population the increase, motor they do the plenty for country. But now the very road they want to see use them for Cameroon here. It not be normal. Normally minister for transport get for take that dossier, open the road, made the road the big, so that when motor they pass, the way no see motor where they go up, no see motor they can down. Because now, if you talk say minister get for take the book for start work that is, I say that one another plenty money for inside country. But money then account no. See where the show is money then account now. When you say minister don't take money, the end a billion. It means say money then account. They keep they no play with money day. Now let's see na management they key them. So I'm feeling if they get at least they be so our population come on and them. They will make a middle road them. Be the Elijah road the main motor they pass. The way motor they go up, you know this motor they can't down because ever most of the accidents are ever fast. Motor kiss other motor. It means the road is small. When man overtake the meter the other one for road. You know be fair. We do for 2018. They give Elijah go them. Then that nation go plan
well, they go tell you say aeroplane go do work for up and leave them for some half.
Yeah, because
aeroplane no carry all man. Aeroplane. Some people the day where they never where they will go now with motor. When Mr. Eric talked, it been a true because now say when something don't be for Cameroon, they need to change anything. If they be change thing, they will start for government for Cameroon. When something there for Cameroon, it don't be. They need to change them. So they will not even change the road too. More the manage and so.
Not only for Teda, but they were driver. They say me the as they go the bad. Me they no say they go the bad. Me they work and small because that going away jam that other motor. It should say the motor no be over there with speed because one man die. If be not saying the motor there with speed, if be not different thing. So it should say the driver no be living on with speed. Now let's say na condition where they go make the motor they tumble side. So me they avoid that kind. Me they work as small for our own. Even prison for. I see don't hear against they don't be prison for Douala. No one day because the old thing they would use and so today no be normal. They get for modernizing them. Elijah make it big.
Where the top Palava prison, we go for New Bear. Yes, some money be there where they be come out. Where they be tossing they be prison for New Bear. But that money be done for Moose. So more leave Palava prison, more the top Palava road.
Alright, another palava for roads. Now also for National Road number 5. This one accident will happen for place where they call them say Carrefour Tombe. As I say Oga Django sabi that route, that place fine. For Seka say if you been a place where they ever stop before you pass go for Tombe. Now woman that way motor way carry iron on top his skin. He no be tie iron. Police stop him, he no stop. First woman, he no die. But another man too, they come out with that iron before on top his skin. That way they come out the man iron for skin. The man says he no be the breed fine. We hear say this man he last died for hospital. Then another number 2 to 3 person he be there, and that person too he be there a woman, and all them so 2 people them they die for Sika this accident where it happened for that side so for Carrefour Tombe, and they try for blame the accident for Sika say moto he carry iron there for his skin, he carry other cargo them, he no tie someone, he tie someone, now he make this accident it happen. Last who they go put the blame? Now the driver where it is so he no be tied it in them, or now the people there they decide for corner road. Loom sote now he no get park.
People they want me accuse them. Now gendarme that would say the way they do for road. Where they control motor them because that motor he command a Douala, he command the motor pass through Douala, so it pass more than 3 checkpoint them. So the gendarme them where they be stand for road. They no look the motor. They no discover and say the man no be tie car.
But they stop the motor. Say may stop the motor no stop. Instead they go with speed.
Then they begin for follow you. They begin for follow before one for them because camion they work.
If you should say that police people they be then and why they be done duty.
Poor na say we no say no only one control day. Some control and they stop with that kind gongo them. Now we say they stop am. You know stop sometimes because we no see na police. That kind gongo now we say they stop am. When you go chase stop am, we say the shona for a chair. You know, I never ever see which you go control motor. If you don't for a chair, you get the motor where you don't put on for corner, you get a machine. They can't give Jangi money, they can put it inside a book, you give back, you go back. So if that could say they do their work fine before that man want take road, I'm not sure say if I reach for that kind of food, then that wahala happen. So now government, now that authority, let me accuse and that people ready to control road. Because they give a make sure say before some motor want take road for travel. Therefore, make sure they don't put all meeting means make security be. Come on, you go accuse population. They be say that it be normal. They say they will go onto the motor tire. No, you accuse driver on a patron. Hala is him go so. He just enter motor to because no one lost his work. He just start going. Now gendarme will go there for stop that motor, talk for that motor, so no that motor no fit travel for that condition. Park and for corner. If they permit them the motor to take road, that mean that they will go for accuser.
Mr. Harry, you say gendarme then they need to control motor, they control a person. Because when you sit down, you wait your envelope. How you do control motor? Since I started travel for the country, I never seen gendarme or police, they come. They check the way they inside motor. Even now, wait till the transporter for Cameroon here safely without any problem. Because they need to check, they need to control motor, they control person where they can contribute. They need to contribute. If they be the control motor, then that motor not be passed many controls so they go make accident now for long. So the way they talk now, the way be not true. If they be the control motor, they for tell that driver say thing they way carry them, they not be well secure, and that accident not for occur. So I need to blame people the way the person way make accident over there. They blame control where they put them for road where they then just pull.
Now it be normal say after that accident, driver and motorboy they be get for run.
No, driver they not be get for run. If you know stubborn driver then to the day, if that driver rotate them at the sea when you go with their 1,000, they'll spend petrol for 2,000 follow you. Cash you whether it gonna for side. You just see motor line for your front. But why they not be do? If that truly they be one control that motor, they for run go stop that driver. So this other two way over there for country, loom, that way they born me will meet up loom. Before they will be born with papa they meet up loom. Up to now, park you know they for loom. It been a something where be PT. Park loom be so forget park by now. Even that road for go for Tombe where I used to pass for day, it not be secure. Because this other way they if motor fuel breaks, you know, say 100 of people they will die because you see people they day for road where they sell no control.
Okay, if you say how they feel control that people they sell for corner road, it not only for loom, the accident don't happen for loom. Plenty people they don't get the same that problem. How if you say they feel control people they sell for corner road?
That problem for people they sell for all side. Even when you travel. Where for payage, see as people they run for the picking, you see small picking them. Mommy they run for motor for only for sale. Motor fit climbs up onto your skin. We man no drivers no realizer. So me I feel say for according to me, many of them they get for take their responsibility. They make a made the big garage tear them put place where traders they go down sell their thing them. They want to go for San Malimade. Where you reach for park, place they were even from van. Where they reach from van, when you pay a ticket, place and the way if you go down for the chop, if you go buy things for the place. But some people they also go sell for. When a mentality way they don't put them for Cameroon they hate. Now because they can't. Now government in place, now the government they in place now because they no one do.
No, because now they travel for the country where checkpoint they need to be far from police station. But that picking they did run. Now when a holiday they did run past motor. But no man they control them. If gendarme there or police they stop say, oh no one see no person except motor stop. In fact,
government duty not only for chop money. Government is not for protect civilians them Cameroonians them, assure their security. It not be normal if the policeman say no be secure, it pass, no be normal. You get for come for day, put you in security hotels, you know, for that place you come. Even now already the bill. We come for the when we talk that was the wrong broker. They get for come for the play day for this so you not be secure. Come on for the so they get for come, they get for organize themselves. If na police they name and make the work make the name. When people they come so they put their word, they say no, I go stand for inside, I go stand for inside, I come out for road because I not be safe for the road.
But you know check say sometimes because say the business the pass better for road pass for inside.
Now what I was talking mentality they don't put them for Cameroon that hate. Government don't put them for Cameroon that hate say. As Frenchman can say laisser aller va-et-vient. That means any man be free for do what you want for Cameroon now. Okada man, if he come, where you get problem, you call people them. One day bike pass, you will see one day bike, no policeman will follow the bike. They'll go do their whole harm the person, or they'll go fight for the, you know, see police for this, so they finish, they go back. That means the country. Now, you are come on a bomb with the bomb with some how do you call it? It's a port. Because we not be secure. Actually, we not be secure inside our country because when they see some small thing for quarter year. Last time they can't aggressive for the second day. People they come up for Sunday for around 12 o'clock. Can we knife them, collapse them, more than 50 people then they enter. We take our phone for inside quarter for Beseke.
Beseke not far from Bonasama, where gendarme police.
Beseke
a day.
Gendarme day, policeman day. All thing day around with Sapé Pompe day. They finish, they take all my media phone them, all my media money for all. This is the key two people them for a quarter. they go back. They no catch no man.
They will come.
They no catch no man. So they today.
So on a fee say all man for that palaver what they talk for palaver for road. On a fee say we say so no get blame because even when they give a place for sense or then they need to say for sika say they already get that sense you know na for road we being in the past.
Yeah, I tell you something. Thing we don't spoil country when you are country when a Cameroon. Na negotiation. Anything we negotiate for the country in the past. If people the way they dey for road, they drive them today, tomorrow you see them for day. Now who they drive them? Now who they allow them for be for day? Now the same people they drive them. Now the same people where I know a case for Mashem and Banda where some woman talk they say for corner road. They say person call he say can't see me for say me they give money. That it just said that person will come up for corner that road, it will still continue for the sale for day. The thing where they spoil the country and I say negotiation over B. And I don't can discover that thing for the Douala.
I go take you some other example. Carrefour Ndokoti. When Tone don't knock that Carrefour, drive commerçant, they enter for inside store, they go against store them. Then they go when police will come, they go 16 them, take and go. They go make us don't enter. After the people then, the very people them where they get truck them for good. They go make envelope. They'll can't ask them any man give 50,000. They'll make envelope. Any man give money. Take and put the envelope. Go give them back. They'll come back for good. Every time they can't drive them. When they say when I touch them, say money don't money don't finish where they take them. You don't start. You don't finish. They will come back again. Drive them. The guy will make envelope again. Can't give them again. They leave them. They say so. As we talk over the inside matter too. As what authority the way they give, he lock him up. He may listen he permit him. So na very na big work.
Before you stop, I was speaking for class on day. Wait where all man go like and for B. Some picking 8 years picking the time say like for B police. I say why? I say Sunday night my they be the travel. Any place where motor stand, they give policeman money. Any place where motor stand. See the kind of mentality where picking they grow. You just say the virus where the job with will finish. It not ever finish.
It will surely finish someday.
Okay.
Now for prayer.
Prayer.
So for inside Loom, we go enter and also for inside town for Loom. We talk this palaver for some boy where they call it say Dan Alphonse. Where he born he own friend where they call him say Buba Garissa with the Fuem for Sika 15 for that side. So for Loom he be then a chapter for waiting chapter for money where he born country people them for Sika these people there they go work for that side. So where he dey on a plantation country people them 15 they be get for share 3,000 for 5 people there or 3 people them person wey carry money for go change am last waiting he pass he go no turn back. Dan Alphonse he carry oil or petrol he throw am for his own friend he back he burn am fine for Sika say 15 population be 1 kill am but police people dem say they drag the boy so they put am for inside police station as well they be turn am for wait whether the boy he go comot again for outside. So police people dem say they be get their own small hut for that side. So for Loom for inside this week. So country people them now make we sabi say that man wey they call am say Buba Garissa where they be born into we be here say or he can for skin if he don't peel or he can for skin if he don't peel. The last time we our man if he go for that side so for go check his skin so it be then a big thing where it happen for inside the week. Now Oga John 15 if you make a you born person with
for me ambassador any people where they get rasta for head are the sorry but as some people where they get rasta for head some for me I consider say most of them they not be normal. If you see that boy head any man where they leave hair they grow so they touch it back and they get some kind of mentality towards that people there for Sika 15 you want finish that man in life you know say if na say nothing no way not be used to for do petrol not be say blow no it no be one burn that man into ashes say may it not ever be for the world again. I not sure say na only that 15 make and that man a go burn that person. Sometimes they be get different problem where it just go transfer aggression say no I must finish with you today for 15 not be you know buy 3 beer for Cameroon.
No. Then
for Sika that money you want kill person and you throw na petrol say may kill it. For me I see and say no na only that 15.
So you see as na the very thing I be talking about being so inside Cameroon na it dey jungle na my get power the dictate the law. You know say and say policeman say be for that place they be the say policeman no be even there they drag the man na the very thing. Diwa country this so thing over don't that means level now for mentality negative mentality over high. How a Fusca 1-5 person will go take petrol to one for a combi where they don't work together for some shanty. Translate bonny for that state.
He brother.
He brother. So they bonny for that state. Me I feel say either the guy be takes that drugs where they call him that drugs them where they that drugs that they smoke am because when you get that behavior and safe you know if you get that behavior you need to smoke that thing. Me I feel sometimes be take that drug push me make that kind thing but as you don't hand the if they never kill you, they don't hang you for the authorities and for the town. Authorities they will know, they will put you for phone law, your face law, and they will give you sentence where in either, and then you go ngata go yamu.
Go ngata for go yamu. Well, yes. Anyhow, nothing that pass. But I say, okay, John, if now you be police or if you get for give judgment for the palaver, what you do? Wait you give the man like a casino.
That man for say me paper wey don enter his eye for say me clear fine. That man need 10 years because na killing that he need 10 years imprisonment. If not so, though you the lock man today see you tomorrow. na killing. If you talk say 5 years a day is small. If na me, I be the sentence that man na 10 years. May rest fine, may eye clear.
So if you say that 10 years go correct it for inside there.
The 10 years no correct it because before it would do so, nothing will be used to for do. Sometimes get where they negotiate they come on.
Okay, Eric, if you say 10 years is more or
my point is no 10 years with the give. My point na maybe when you go enter prison, because I'm sure say when that period they enter prison, they will yet we don't do and too. They go torture you fine for day. Then you go enter a hit. Me, I want to say me the make come back for his senses. Me the put it for where we enter ngata. Me the educate it. They say violence no fine. Make if na person way sometimes they feel look and say sometimes be mentality disabled. Me they look as the feel stabilize the their head. If na drugs they take, me they feel look as if they feel make a stop am. But if not only for give 10 years, you know, after people don't make 10 years for prison, come out the next day they still do the very thing. We'll get people that they come out, they go make 4 years for prison. When they come out, the next years they don't catch again.
I mean, they need to drain their blood. They don't already enter for their blood.
Yes. So they get for educate them, follow them up. Me that kind of thing. Me no repeat them. Me no repeat them for the society.
Okay. So for inside news for quarter, Tori for quarter, make we enter from Goody side. We go talk this palaver for house the way they chakaram for inside the week tomb. Now people the way they don't shit down for their house for plenty here and they be tossed land. It be then for big ndungu. So last person way e get land. Court Igi commandier say go for before for say make it do anything you want do with the land. So more than 50 people they dem where they chakara the house them for seeker say the land it be there for inside court and after we court a judgment come out. One time person way he get the court case he way win am he go find a caterpillar for city council one time a chakara people them so plenty people that say they lost their cargo them inside this chakara with the chakara house and even someone they lost their book them important book their identity card birth certificate even picking their book them all thing it lost for inside this palaver for land for Douala we sabi say no be na strange thing oga Rick this palaver for land everyday chakara and you need the chakara say na one money house all time you dey check na for chakara at least 50 people dem so e mean say one person go get land wey 50 people dey on top e no go even get sorry heart e chakara the people dem all that one correct.
No, e no correct. I dey even accuse the first person wey dey blame himself na that authority that procure dem that president tribunal wey dey give that kind order wey go destroy more than 50 families. Picking them for that family part and they pick them wey dey go school. Picking them people dem dey wey they no na Douala people dem wey dey come na different province for can shit down for Douala. Some people dey dey work. Some one dey wey sometimes their master don beat their ass left dem dey die. E no be normal say at this kind time so you will send people one man you go destroy more than 10 houses. Now the very way we get am for Komba, wey for Komba the school dem they don't even be school dem for the picking up the go school for the place. But person can't touch na own so they broke the school dem. picking the way they go school, they stop for go school. And they ask and say, whether that people, that authority, they want to make they want to make that anger enter come on their skin, or they don't like their president, because if they like their president, that kind of thing no be normal. Say for Sika 1 man, maybe 10 families they suffer. Imagine, you know how many people they go die for that place, that part them. How many people they want go take AVC, as they call it stroke for English. You know how many people they will go back for village. As a day, that's the one they will go for village, and the one they will go for village, they will go do. How many go die? That might meet them. How many go fall sick for Sika matter? That picking for how many go turn to people them? How many go stop school? They go for put acts and that kind of question them. Normally when some person you have to sit down, he gets online way, you have to say people in there for they go for go down, see there as the place they say and say there will be more than a community, because the features are community that now wages on community that they go for call it back. Tell you say bon. See if government we say they know they even call the community, see how they fit contribute small money, give the man me go manage. Let me so if I buy some land, so I meet up people for this, so I look that kind of me. Like Grand Kako. Because I know say wow, someone do it, they go die safe.
And the same people that when you die now, so the land will take you.
Voilà. I know say 2018 na year for Chakara House for Cameroon. That one don't be a contamination where come up from Southwest reach for Douala. The problem I say for Bible they talk say with God everything is possible. But for people some people they say with money everything be possible. Now which kind judge if he give judgment say may they go destroy more than 50 people their houses? Now just empty now, because I don't tell when I say corruption for this country is starting from port. There they go for Banda. Anything where you pass money for this country, I tell you say the pass. That man so you just saying for nothing, give others say they go to Chakara people their house. Maybe the people they go straight on for outside. Some people they where they are diploma then they for inside the house where they don't lost. They will go school again, start school for which day, then they get that diploma them. That people they where so when they sleep outside, you talk something, but when they get nothing for do, where they don't Chakara their mommy in house, you just say no John I come for bikini thief. Woman will not get place where we should don't. You know go for street bikini make prostitution. Now who lead them? Now person where don't take order. And then that caterpillar where they say and so now city council Senna. The man they work for council, they go hire caterpillar now for who? Now still money where you spend, and that means say when you get money for Cameroon, if you even burn the whole country, you pay money because of money. See the kind of work where people they do.
We go take una, we go for road from Dobo, make we enter for this road from Dobo one time, straight, for talk this palaver for road from Dobo, we be pass from Dobo for place where they slaughter beef, for place where they call them saying Dobo site, make we try for enter for that road, for say, these people then say, they hear bad, these people then say, they hear bad, for Sika say road, it don't Chakara where also where the waka, you must to meet up wo, and water way don't turn up, all the whole roads it don't spoil, water turn up, even Okada people they say they the nyati for corner before they pass for corner water, where it make and say people then say they get motor they no fee for enter for the water for Sika say where they don't deep plenty. Some of them they declare say a day like say city council say they don't forget them say some side day where they call them say Ndobo for inside Douala here for inside Douala for. Now the condition then that for roads when rainy fall now so to water it turn up all for inside the roads. It make a man no fit sabi as way if he put a foot self a pass for that side. So now some of the big problem in this where people then for that side so from inside Double road where they go for slaughterhouse they get them. 2018 we also there for inside the kind of condition. Or we want join hands and make Kunkuma a plan for 2035 for say Cameroon go for before Iwaka. But Oga Jang 2018 side for Douala economic capital people that they put na tire before they enter for the house. When rainy fall they don't let tiptoe for pass on top. You feel say now for before or now for back?
Now for back now. You say for they see tire there na normal bridge for Cameroon. The problem na say that slaughterhouse where you talk so now for the way they kill cow where they distribute them for all Douala. That people they pay tax. I mean that people the place where they pay.
They pay.
Okay, the money where they pay tax enough arrange that road so they make and na motor they go carry them they bring them for town but road no dey they will carry that beat them for head and no person never ever go they for see the place where that meat they come out then they can for their market the partner say we dey go now for back we no dey ever go for before even that 2035 where they talk so na word o once they apply.
So you want to say they only write am for paper.
That one na write am for paper. Write am for paper. We see one na action. We know the one thing where they talk say I go start to do something so that make they see and say no. Before the 2035 they will finish am. But see road them for Douala. Of course, place where people they pay tax. You know how many cars they kill them for abattoir one day? Or if they kill 100 cars, now how many hundreds of thousands that income it become like income for city council? Now big money, yet road no dey for go for slaughterhouse. It be a shameful thing.
Okay, Eric.
I want to tell people and say for that Douala 14, that Douala 4. Now CPGM get a mairie. Me Mr. Elange when a mayor and Mr. Simon when a premier as well. May they go for day. They go to at least gravel, may they try Siam. Say that they work. Because since they take care of that place, I never ever see some good way they touch that they fix them.
That they don't fix all them from Abundance or other places.
For which place from Abundance?
Don't fix
them. Whether from Abundance, don't approach them come for mairie. That pavé they put on approach for mairie. Approach come right for Yaoundé. That second road, that road they go from Abundance for Ndobode. Now good way mayor. Get for go to gravel for day. I don't see no get right for put Kunta. They get right for fix the road so that make people they pass. They want to tell them, may they go for they tray at least gravel. Because I don't start.
But I need cut you short. They try for tell me to say that road, na that place water they use to stand plain. So you mean say if they no open water hold them for water for pass and all that kind of thing.
Now still city council get to open water.
I want for day that money for water. Oh, money be come up for Yaoundé. May they open water hold them for Douala. Time people they over there inside water. They say me they open now. They come for Bonabé. The time where the governor began for supervise the work. They were governor began for supervise for Bonabé. They can't take beginning for Makwata. They give them 2,000. Give them remote. Put them inside them mud. They give them shovel. Make them say the work.
And wheelbarrow.
Governor come up for moto. Nana bit. He been a bit asomo. He don't mean a minister of defense. He come inside moto. He look beginning inside gutter as the work. He look him. He enter back inside limousine. He go back. As he go back, so other people come back. They bring some baby pot cookie. They give them the chop. After any man, I don't know how much they give them. Any man go for your house. If you see that kind of thing, it be normal again for come on for 2018. They give no na say na money they don't give am make they work. But then if you work, stay for
say man, so, you know for here they need to supervise work. Man fish don't give contact call for your day. They don't finish. They say yes. You know, come on one day. I see some governor for Nigeria. They go for street, go see whether thing where they talk. It be not true. They work away rainbow. Work I see. They observe the work. They supervise. They supervisor. I see mayor for Boya. It be John Street for keep Boya clean. But for they don't finish. Yes, okay. No man need to go for field for go see. Now why that even government contract them they need ever finish and people they need to do well. Even road the way they small so they don't give money. Say they line on the road, but you know if you see the money.
And more if sometimes the population they gather they work over there say they want fix it, they want trigger over there. You will see Janam or police or can't say no. Why not give the order? They work up. It will start making a big problem. So on school set for Bonabé, they for Kona and Ndobode. Where machine will jam picking because motor will pass for them for speed. So PTA meeting. The organizer will go see authority look at the film. Necessary go contribute money make go down now. Me when motor the camp for school me it breaks more. So that project should take 2 years today. That project they thought they see what they want they give order for make do down. Me picking me motor no the jam picking where they are the issue jam. Imagine we don't have which kind of country for we want which kind of progress for the Cameroon.
All right, we go. If we remain for Palava for roads, we go also talk. But maybe before we finish on this chapter for the road, we na feel say even governor delegates, you know, get some role for plan for this road them for inside the town because now you put put all of blame on top mayor and his assistant. If you say government delegates, they say no get hand for most of these road them for inside Douala.
I know they accuse government delegate again because na person we are no voter. You understand? So I know
no, they appoint you, so you know.
They appoint you. Never say normally no be get appointment. No be get appointment. He can call.
You sabi whether the mayor to get hand, he get power for do that work.
Never I talk say. They no be get for. I need look again because na person we are no voter. You know be normal say person wey dey appoint am wey na come for a combi appoint am, he go come give order for person wey na who don vote me work. Na why that way problem go so be for the county because e no be normal say delegate dey for there who know he I no even know he I know say that he go na doctor but my mayor wey I know say I vote am for my region wey I know say if I get some problem
I go meet up
here I can't tell you no nothing dey do wey I dey face am come down you go meet up here tell say no he don send am for delegate
wey mean say he hand them to
the short never dey call am say that decentralization no it means that na say wetin you go to for the episode for that delegate will tell you say no if you don't write am say na for your own day wait me come back.
You don't mention something say decentralization
na so they call am now
for this country. Mayor dey get voice for Cameroon here. Mayor fit sign if fit take decision say make they do work the war where other no fit comot Yaounde. If Yaounde you give order na 10 years before that 10 years will finish you just say the thing go remain na so.
No, me I feel say that hold for nobody. Mayor fit go inside budget for council. Moving na 5 million. They get money.
Mayor dey control budget.
Every day the home Okada dem for whole day. I know that Mary for Bonabena Mary with the worry Okada pass all Mary dem.
Hi my sabi.
Nobody see am.
No.
They the home motor they the whole Okada dem for this knock am for down. We see am. That Mary no the clown empo. No fit be for Bonabena no pay.
They know na Bonaberi.
No be they know the Bonaberi.
Then for side the money they go then.
Make them go for that.
Then abattoir road where they go abattoir dey for.
Make them go for that money. Move even at 5 million or even at 10 million. Buy gravel, throw am for that road. Make people they at least they go for their.
You feel say if mayor now yes okay, may you go buy the gravel throw him. If you say gravel go solve that problem, no be when rain for water also turn up. We go at a whole day.
Never I talk now. For a level, if you throw gravel, because I know some people.
If you throw gravel, pull water road. Even this small water road.
I say plenty people that house get for Chakara.
No, if you throw now then I people
because some people they never respect commandeer for house.
No, alignment. When you look at
some.
Yes, so one day. When you say no alignment day, alignment day. You see no. Not for say alignment day. Not for say me they go for the throw gravel. Me they say at least you don't try work for your own level. You see nothing like the
no check say the ego spoil work if you no put water
try for do your now why they say no do your own make different level for different level
okay
make try for do your own we say they don't try for do am now the other side on 11 now turn 11 now that will turn and say no he don't try una say as almost don't let people the water will enter for the water will enter that as the key people there no be normal
okay
if town planning be there for Douala or for Cameroon they know for Chakara people they are because when land they were in a virgin land they drop land how will people they will settle for that land so that mean they not broke any money if they be the drop land for the Cameroon especially for the Douala where they over Chakara people their houses you know for Biso town planning not there.
No town planning not there because I'll tell you some example look for one point they do play the bidder second bridge some brigade did know
yes
that brigade make 5 years
for sir
no make 5 years they be bigger for day. You don't make 2 years they announce and say they were broken. So they don't come broken now one of the pass. It means say inside their project they don't know say which go pass for them. So they go be some big because so how much that house of if be how many tap for our villages.
All right. Make we continue with other palaver them. We enter for small wait till they happen for Norwest Southwest. We'll be for inside refugee camp again. For inside this week we'll come out. Make we try for see as the refugee people they done. Then we'll go talk quick on top this palaver for contributory they happen. Make una sabi say refugee people them they so wait and they so wait till they happen. And sabi say for inside this contributory it pass for Douala here we be get 11 million with the join them and Nadimo will just continue. We show it Walam. We enter to from Gaundere side for talk say even from Gaundere. They be also make contribute for 21,512,000 francs from Gaundere side, and for Sabise for inside South region they contribute 120,100,000 francs, and Agra Tanguse Seb it will be special stranger for South Minister for Big Book Jacques Famin Dongose Seb be dead him for Yawende side. Even for inside the same palava contribute this farm. Now when the people that say they don't contribute they plenty money for inside this palava 152,969,600 francs where they don't join them for that side. So for Yawende for help people then for Norwest and Southwest. Now plenty people they ask how that this money go enter for the people that they hear about, or the money it go last hand for air. Now the big question that Oga Jang problem with the social here every day say gone in the hala Norwest, Southwest, road block, road no block. We feel say the better plan when governor don't plan them, na better thing.
And that's I'd like that money. You know, before dog we begin Mami Bele, it be stand now we play. the palaba anglophone problem where they talk say day to day so it start like a mustache seed. It start grow. People they say anglophone problem no day. Now they say they contribute money. The money where they contribute, and so for me, some people they don't buy their plot where the money will build their houses. The money so I thank God say I thank Angie Paul Dede and Jean Famin Dongo where we talk say 2 cubes of sugar drop in a basin of water. No. That 2 cubes of sugar they don't decide whether they know dissolve. Now can they contribute that money today? I thank Angie Paul we talk say anglophone problem you know they at the that now which kind of money they contribute now. Now for do weighty and that money as they contribute and so they put feather. They put feather. You will see one day say that money don't fly. I hear say 200 million don't lost where they begin for this campaign for senator election. As that one don't go so. And so the one too they glad now say if they contribute na money for say maybe they solve anglophone problem for Northwest and Southwest, they for drop plan. How many houses they don't broken? How many people in there for Nigeria? How many people in there for Bush? They bring with plan. Say they will build this number of houses. We for confirm them now whether they contribute money for this matter. But for me, as I tell you so, the money where they contribute and so you see story building they start come out for Aqua, Bonanjo, Bonaprizo, Yaoundé for this income money where they build. And so some people they only now food for ground now say yes. The Angombo don't fall. And Ambassador man not go detail to this matter. If I talk say I talk, they will go sleep for here.
Okay.
The ones who they gonna say cafouillage. Comedy where they make them. You know be fair. They feel say me no feel now let them go school. We were papa they no get work. They send me for school. So no what they do. Me they know say before they want to do it, they don't make an entire that go for Boko Haram start. So they made a contribute, maybe they send them money for, maybe they send money for soldiers. Then
they contribute
so
for 2,000
so they soldiers they start strike for them for extreme no day. They catch them put them for they want when they strike they catch them put them for prison. They do for Kundengi for no notice. So they never tell you as they manage the money. They don't take and share, divide them, make campaign for senator them, chopper. It normally my brother just talk normally I say no image I don't look CRTV since this
matter for Anglophone
the matter for Anglophone start embassy Kamonga embassy for Nigeria abi
normally
I never see ambassador for Nigeria for Cameroon he represent Cameroon for them go say for that play the year see that Cameroon and they go look them I never hear them. Even for a year, no authority. They contribute that money so the whole gang for who? All money for Bush. And for Bush they all the mix.
They do different
They get what different Bush. They go gang for who? Now don't go there. I listen Paul on live on Facebook the other day yesterday. I see some video we put on for Facebook. Where some mommy talk say if she don't for a door, now army they start shoot. They shoot your foot. He take bullet for your foot. So they the mommy take bullet for your foot. So that the other one they enter bush. They will go find another for outside for getting the money. So make they stop that kind thing. And make that money where they make am so. We know say they get plenty money, we no get am. Make them dey show you money for TV. Na very bad thing. Una never see for which country dey happen so.
Mr. Eric.
He wants to
transparency. I beg. Leave that one. The problem na say if you come out for your house, you open tap, water the flow for your house, the way your carpet. If you start widen the carpet or you go lock the pump. You fail lock the pump. See as people they make error, they dry clean water, pump the street flow. They dry clean water, pump the street flow. That one na wasting of time. Na wasting of time. Make them go lock pumps first. Pump one at the top. Make they go stop war for Boya and Bamenda. Yesterday gunshot for Boya. You know, it be easy. I be there Boya yesterday. Before I go reach for Douala, I be in trouble. Then which money did they contribute for God solve which problem? You know that day when Mr. Bia be blow whistle say bam, when was that? They never blow and say prep world end. It is still continue. Then they contribute money where water the still flow. Make they wipe water first.
But the money go help.
You know go help. You know go help. You show where that money go do a day ahead.
You show that money not for buy gun again for not for buy gun them again for buy chop for
that money not for help.
Forgive army them.
If we get for talk on top this palava will surely stay. Plenty other talk go join enter.
About some small thing because we don't almost finish. If we don't tiwe I look our concern I see and say na Douala no contribute plenty.
Yeah,
our
population there money na capital
economic capital.
You know why? No, most of the Douala be for the for frontier for Southwest. That we know most of the thing they pass for there. We know that money.
We get to the head office.
Yeah, we know that money no go reach for there. Now why that way people they contribute? All right. People they for Saudi. They don't know which they pass for there.
All right.
They don't see CPDM.
All right. So, can the people them we don't finish for this afternoon. Okay, Eric, thank you plenty for your time.
I thank you for the invitation. I want salute to my mommy
again.
All my
quick, we almost finish.
Yes. Na Madam Mayon.
Okay.
Na director for PWG KGU.
All right. Okay, John.
Yeah.
Thank you plenty.
Yes, I tell my people then for so the committee say we meeting dinner for Mr. Nongane County House for Carrefour music, popularly known as Pananga. At the salon, my madam to Madam Net Malabong, with the 100%.
Okay, all right. We want to say big thank you for honor. Rebroadcast for program will be for morning time, 8:30. I go turn back for you for Monday, all team being equal. Make una all am tight.